trending on Procyon Radio and television with Sarah Agbo. All-rounder is in the house.
We break the news before we analyze it first.
Thank you. Buba Galadima praises President Bola Tinubu, says the difference is clear. A key chieftain of the New Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, Buba Galadima described President Bola Tinubu as an action man. Galadima said the decision Tinubu had taken so far as Nigeria's leader are indication that he will make Nigeria better. Don't blame me if AKPABIO turns out to be the worst. Senator representing Borno South District, Ali NDUME, said nobody should hold him responsible if the newly elected president of the 10th Senate, Godswill Akpabio, fails to meet the expectations of the office. NDUME, who spearheaded the campaign for Akpabio, said, "I am not going to be responsible if it turns out to be the worst. I believe he is the best, but don't hold me accountable. I don't know what he will do tomorrow." The crisis between Apostle Chinyere and the Happie boys. The General Overseer of Omega Power Ministry, Apostle Chibuzo Chinyere, in a new development, disclosed that he has forgiven the Happie boys and is ready to give them the scholarship to continue in Nigeria, Ghana, or Benin Republic, as the boys claim that he has abandoned them in Cyprus. MKO all-rounder Buba Galadima praises the president, says he will do well in this country.
Who else we praise President Tinubu? Is the old wine in the old skin. They are the one that will be praising themselves. I don't see, as a Nigerian, I don't see anything that Tinubu has done that will make different to Buhari's this thing. It's a continuation of the regime of Buhari, because as far as Nigeria is concerned now, Tinubu took over May 29. We've never seen anything that Nigeria can clap for him, that, hey, thank you, God, we thank you for the past, this, because the one that Buhari has done to Nigeria, he has suffered Nigeria enough. You understand? And this new government now, what the new government used to welcome us into its regime is a subsidy in which has turned to us as a hardship on the people. You understand? So I don't see how we will be clapping for Tinubu now that he has done anything. I don't see anything that he has done. Just to be realistic. You understand?
All right.
It's a Galadima and Galadima's word to him. They are the same category, they are the same regime, the same people, the same old people on Nigeria. So they can be praising themselves.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Oranda. Don't blame me if AKPABIO turns out to be the worst.
That's Ali NDUME.
NDUME.
Ali NDUME, that is my man. It's true. You should not blame him. What he knows that he supported AKPABIO to be a Senate president. Likewise, I supported him because I know AKPABIO will perform. You know, the man is a son, he's a lawyer. So as a lawyer, handling to legislative issues, we do better. I know him. He performed he was a governor of Akwa Ibom. He performed very well. I know the Senate will not be so difficult for him to perform. The only thing the only thing people are fearing is that when a Senate president turn out to be rubber stamp to the president, that's where the issue comes from. You understand? When they turn out to be rubber stamp to the president. But if you can do your job fine, and you know how you and the president work hand in hand, that will be of a good to the Niger society, to the Nigerians. No, there's nothing too special about that. I know he will perform. The guy will perform. The AKPABIO will perform.
Apostle Chinyere and Happie boys.
Apostle Chinyere, that's
He
a
has forgiven them. You know, there was a crisis between them.
and
There was
Happie
a curse
boys.
he laid on them, and now he is forgiving them.
Is that not the apostle that rescued Deborah's family from Sokoto when he was killed in Sokoto? That he gave them meaning estates and it's a good man. It's a good man. It's a good man as a pastor. He has been helping people, and this happy boys. What I like is that he abandoned them in Cyprus after he had given them scholarship to study in Cyprus, and the guy claimed that he abandoned them. Instead of the boy to call him, he started going to social media, Instagram, to be talking to. No, it's not good like that. I thank God that the man has forgiven them, that they will continue. They will not continue in Cyprus again, but they will continue in Ghana
or Nigeria or Benin
Republic. But he will still give them that scholarship. Yes. That is a good thing to do. As a man of God, it's different from this Chibuzo, this Apostle Chibuzo is taking the footstep of TB Joshua. We've never had any pastor like TB Joshua after the demise of TB Joshua. It's this Chibuzo that we have been seeing now. The rest have been using their offering to buy jets, buy expensive listing, but Apostle Chibuzo has shown himself to be a good help to the society, and that's what we need from the pastors.
All right, MQ All-Rounder, trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Abon.